Trying to connect a 10-inch Nest Hub Max 7E30. So the problem we've been having is we bought this used, and every time we try to connect it, it says it's still connected to the old owner. So the owner said that if I leave it disconnected for like 48 hours, 2 days, that it may forget the original owner. So we've done it for 2 days, and now we're going to see if it works out. And if it says it still remembers the old owner, then I'm in trouble. It says connected. Follow the instructions on the Google app. Let's hit next. We'll find out if that camera sensing includes feature face. Camera sensing includes features face match and quick gestures to give you personalized control. Video calls messaging. Make video calls and send messages with Google Duo built-in Nest features. Hit next. Camera sensing features allows a Nest Hub Max camera to recognize things like faces and gesture to personalize your contact and help interact with your device. So looks like you can wave your hand, smile. After setup, camera sensing features do not upload videos or images from your Nest Hub to Google. You can disable these. Hit yes. You've already set up recognition and personalize your device. Your settings for Greenhouse has been applied to your settings. Wow, looks like it really worked. Looks like...
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. So you can get started, let me show you around.
So it's true. So if you own this 10-inch hub and it doesn't work, then just wait 48 hours and it does forget.
When you're ready,
and
tap
then
Get Started.
What I did was I unplugged the power from here, unplugged the power from there, of course. I don't want to waste energy. Hold this button. I kept on holding it until it went through its cycle, and I kept on holding it, and then it went back up, and then it says it went to the factory reset, and I kept on holding it. Once the screen got dark, then I let go. And then the secret is to do that after 48 hours. And then it all works. So happy. Risker out.